Hello everyone. Here the question is a semicircle and they have mentioned AOB is a diameter. Also they mention CD and AB line are parallel to each other and CAO angle is given as x degrees Celsius. And we have to find there are totally four angles we need to find. Everything in terms of x only we have to find. And here we are going to use, since the parallel line concept has been given, we are using the transversal. So I can say this one and this one. That means DCA and CAO are alternate interior angles. So this is also going to be x degrees Celsius. And then see, this x degrees Celsius is coming from the segment AD, right? So from the same segment, the angle subtended at the center is going to be twice than the angle subtended at the circumference. So if this segment AD making an angle x at the circumference, then it is going to make an angle as 2x at the center of the circle. And here if you look into it, O is the center, right? So I can make like this. OA is a radius as well as OC is also a radius. So this one, that means AOC is an isosceles triangle. So if it makes x degree over here, even over here also it is going to make x degree Celsius, right? And what else we have? So I can join now this C and B with a straight line. So why I'm joining this as a straight line? We know one property that from the diameter of the circle, the angle subtended towards the circumference is going to be 90 degree. So we can mention this ACB as 90 degree. But we already know ACO is x degree and this together ACB is 90. So can I mention this half as 90 minus x? Yes, we can write this as 90 minus x degree Celsius. And still, yeah, here also OC and OB are radius. So can we consider BOC as an isosceles triangle so that we can write this also as 90 minus x degree Celsius. Now we can consider BOC as a triangle and we are supposed to use the angle sum property so that what we can find our question, the first subdivision is we need to find COB, so we can find the value of COB. So by angle sum property, what are all the angles are there over here? So one is BCO plus COB plus OBC equal to 180 degree. And what is BCO? It is 90 minus x, and COB only we are supposed to find, let it be. And OBC is nothing but 90 minus x again equal to 180 degree. And what is COB? We are going to move everything to the other side. So 90, 90, 180. So when it is moving to the other side, it's going to be minus 180, and minus x will be minus 2x. When it is moving to the RHS, it will become plus 2x. So here plus 180 minus 180 will get cancelled. So we'll get the answer COB as 2x. So what is our first division answer? That means angle COB equal to 2x. Now still we need to find what is angle DOC. So here this one is 2x. So now we can consider AOB as a straight line, right? Because it is given as a diameter. So I can consider AOB as a straight line. So here we can use linear angle sum property, right? Because the straight line is divided into three different angles. What are the angle? It is AOD plus DOC plus COB equal to 180 degree. In this we know already AOD, which is 2x, and DOC only we are going to find in this subdivision. And what is COB? It is also 2x, which is equal to 180 degree. So from this what we are concluding? Angle DOC equal to 180 minus 4x. So this is what the answer for our second subdivision. So here the answer is 180 minus 4x. Now we are supposed to find DAC. So where is DAC? So before that we will mark over here. This one is with different color we will mark. Yes. So 180 minus 4x. So still we need to find the angle DAC over here, right? So when you see this DOC, DAC both are from the segment DC. So can we use the property like that? So what is that? From DC, the angle subtended towards the center is going to be 180 minus 4x. Then from the same segment DC, the angle subtended at the circumference of a circle is going to be half of it, right? So I can write like this: DAC is equivalent to DOC by 2. So we already know DOC is 180 minus 4x. So if you divide this by 2, we will be getting 90 minus 2x. So can we write over here as 90 minus 2x? So this is what the value of DAC. So we can write the value of the third subdivision as 90 minus 2x. Now still one more question is there. We need to find the angle ADC. So that is our last question. So what is ADC? We have to find the angle ADC. So can we consider the triangle ADC? So in that easily we can find, because two angle is given, just we are going to find the other angle. So ADC, if we apply the angle sum property, so what are the three angles we have over here? So I can write this as ADC plus DCA plus CAD equal to 180 degree. So in this ADC only we are going to find, let it be. And what is DCA? DCA is going to be x degree Celsius. Sorry, not Celsius, it's x degree. And CAD equal to 90 minus 2x equal to 180 degree. Yes. So now what it is actually? ADC plus x minus 2x is going to be minus 2x, so it's not plus, it is minus x. X minus 2x is x, and plus 90 equal to 180. So we are going to move this minus x and 90 to the other side. So it's going to be ADC equal to 180 minus 90 and plus x. So it's going to be 90 plus x degree. So what is the angle at ADC? That is 90 plus x. So we can write the answer over here, which is 90 plus x. Which one? Angle ADC. Hope you understood. Thank you.